calculating your estate taxes is so important, and I almost rarely meet people who have properly calculated what their tax bill is going to be when they pass away. So this is an example of someone's estate tax bill, and they're 54 and 53, and you can see, so in this year, for example, total estate taxes are just under $2 million, and they're going to continue to increase, of course, as your assets increase, your capital gains taxes increase. Basically, the wealthier you are, chances are the bigger your tax bill in your estate is going to be. So it's one thing to identify what this number is going to be. You also have to identify how are you going to pay for this tax bill. And that's kind of, the $1 million question is, are you going to use cash? Are you going to liquidate other assets you currently own to pay this tax bill? Or are you going to look at potentially using some insurance, some life insurance to pay for this tax bill? So when you see red, it's not a good sign. What I'm going to do is I've implemented a corporately owned life insurance policy, and this is going to recalculate if this person now bought the insurance policy and passed away, what are they left with? And you can see it turns green. So it's a good thing. Basically, this means there's at least enough insurance to pay the tax bill, but there's actually even more on top that you can leave to your family, your company, charities, things like that. So you want to make sure there's more green than red, and getting a proper estate tax analysis completed is going to be critical to your future, and it's going to probably save you quite a bit of money as well. So just make sure you're not always calculating your net worth. So your net worth is your assets minus your liabilities, and yes, that's important to figure out, but you want to be calculating your estate worth, which is your assets minus your liabilities minus the taxes owed in your estate, and you really need to figure out a way to pay for these taxes, because although there are strategies to minimize the tax bill, they can't always be completely eliminated. So you do have to think of a way that you're going to pay for these taxes, and there are some horrible, very inefficient ways to pay for these taxes that are complete wastes of your money, and there are some highly, highly effective ways to pay for these taxes as well. So get the analysis done. If you'd like an analysis completed for you, please feel free to reach out, and I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.